Inline and dynamic styles. Dark and light theme switching. Let's jump in. Part 1. Inline and dynamic styles. Inline styling in React means you add the CSS styles directly to the element using the style prop. Let's open up our app.js and start coding. Import React, useState from React. Function app. Const is active, set is active equals useState false. Const heading style equals color is active, FB2056 tar333. Font size 2 rem, text align center. Margin top 40 px. Font family Arial sans serif. Transition all 0.3 SEs. Const button styles. Background color is active, FB2056. Color white, border none. Padding 10px 20px. Margin top 20px. Cursor pointer, border radius 8px. Font size 1 rem. Return div style like text align center. Is active, active style applied. Default style applied. On click, set is active. Toggle style button div. Export default app. When you run this on hlil/localhost 3000, you'll see the text and button change styles based on whether is active is true or false. That's called dynamic inline styling. Very useful when you need quick conditional styles without importing any extra CSS. Part 2. Dark and light theming. Let's now create a basic theme switcher that toggles between light and dark mode. We'll use simple conditional styling based on a theme state. Import React, useState from React. Function app, const set theme equals useState light. Const themes equals light, background color F, color 33333. Dark, background color 1A, 1A, 1A. Color F5, F5, F5. Const current theme equals themes theme. Return stylate 100VH, current theme, transition, all 0.4 SEs, display flex, flex direction, column, align items, center, justify content, center. H1 welcome to theme switcher, margin top 20px, padding 10px, 20px, border radius 8px, border none, background color, theme equals light, tat FB2056, DA1C4B, color white, cursor pointer, font size 1 rem. On click equals set theme light, dark, light. Switch to theme light, dark, light mode button div. Export default app. Save and go to localhost 3000. Click the button to switch between light and dark themes. You'll see the whole page background and text color change smoothly. This is the simplest way to implement theming using just React and inline styles.